So as part of our metadata for our application here, we need to also add screenshots. Now, again, this is a very simple application here. So we pretty much only have one screenshot, but you should have at least 3 screenshots, if not more, that represent, that will show the users what this app is all about and so forth. Okay, so in this case here, how do we take screenshots? Now, notice here that I'm not running on an emulator. I'm running on my device. It's just that I use Visor, which is a software that allows me to mirror my Android device, which you can't see. So everything that happens here is actually happening on my Android device. Okay, so I'm playing it now, and you don't see my cursor moving there. So indeed, I'm actually using my device here. In this case here, since I'm mirroring my device, I can come up here and click, and it goes ahead and takes a screenshot. If I go to my download folder, this is what I will see. Let me make this smaller. Look at that. So there is a very nice, high quality screenshot. Now, if you're not using your device, I advise you to run again. In this case, I'm going to just use the Nexus Play there instead of my Visor, my device. So I can show you exactly how to do the same thing. So it's installing. I should be able to see the emulator. Voila. It is indeed working. So now this is our emulator. So if I want to take a photo or a screenshot, it's very convenient because you see here to the right, we have this photo icon. If you click that, it will take that screenshot there, and it's going to put all of that, and it's going to put it inside of your desktop. So if you click on your desktop, you will see that I have this second one here. This is the first one. Get rid of that. And this is our second one, which I took with our emulator here. Okay, so what you really want to do is take a few screenshots depending on how complex your application is. In this case, there's just one. So I can actually go to another question there and take that screenshot like that. So I have another one. We'll click. This is the next one. There it is. And I can go to the next question and so forth. So take as many screenshots as you can. If you have more than one screen, of course, go to the next screen and keep taking the screenshots.